A maintenance plan is used to generate a call object automatically for a particular date. A call object can be a maintenance order, maintenance notification, or service entry sheet. You can also generate the order and notification at the same time. A maintenance plan may be either a time-based or performance-based single-cycle plan, strategy plan, or multiple counter plan. Following are the maintenance item data areas. Planning data. Maintenance planning plant, maintenance planner group, order type, maintenance activity type, main work center, business area. Reference object. Task list. Interval. The maintenance interval cycle is assigned at the level of the maintenance plan. Cycle, offset, cycle text.